Hey, my name's Karen Elizabeth. I'm the owner of Jo Bell Designs, and today we are making a gorgeous spring wreath. This one's got a little bit of a Valentine's Day flair to it, but at any point you can change out the roses or the styles of flowers and create your own personal touch. I'm going to start by using a wire metal circular frame. I'm going to then build with my noodle. Then I'm going to layer this greenery around and around in a special technique to form this wreath, and then we add our special little touches at the end. So now this is the end result, so make sure you watch the video all the way through so you get all of our design tips as you go. Even if you want to put it in double speed to move it a little faster, or if you want to pause it and slow down and watch it again, you can actually create this design with me. So check and get all the materials. All the links should be in the description. If not, feel free to comment and I'll be happy to send you those. So far we are designing this gorgeous wreath for outdoors, so I used a lot of outdoor greenery, and as you can see, we've got a really cool circular shape. It's pretty dense, so we're using quite a bit of materials on this, but you know, it's well worth it if you want a luxury design. Next up, we are going to add more styles of greenery, which are not as UV resistant, but they'll definitely add a little bit of dimension to this wreath and make it look more high-end. If you want to see how we continue this wreath, make sure you stay tuned, watch the video all the way through. You don't want to miss any bits and pieces. It's important. Please like and subscribe now. We need all of your support to keep making these videos. Center here, and you could have it hanging down as an extra accent, but I'm going to kind of have it entangled a little bit and maybe just hanging down a little bit for when you lift it up. It'll be kind of just a little, you know, nothing crazy. And then these guys, I'm actually going to add them in more on the outside. I only have 4, so 1. Now if I were to pick it up, it has a little more things hanging and a little more So for some people, that's enough. That's gonna be your whole wreath. That's gonna be the finished product, and that's absolutely fine. We're gonna add a few touches of silk flowers to give it a little bit of spring, kind of Valentine's, kind of transitioning to spring look. So, and once we're done with that, we can take those flowers out and add maybe some whites and greens and some little St. Paddy's Day flair. So And then, you know, you could even use this for Easter and put some little Easter eggs, or in the center, we're gonna hang a monogram. You don't have to do that. You can always put, you know, an Easter bunny in the middle or an Easter egg in the middle or something cool here to really make this a themed wreath, so. First of all, make sure you like and love and subscribe to my channel. This gorgeous custom super luxe wreath. We will definitely have more wreaths and more holiday themed decor as well as event decor. So stay tuned for all of that and check out some of my other videos. Subscribe now. I am Jo Bell. Come see my designs. Step to smell the roses.